Howdy folks, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving a little intro into a series that I'm going to be creating. It's not built at all yet, but I intend for it to be finished in a few weeks. And I'm going to be kind of not live coding it, but coding it on YouTube as I go. So I'm going to be releasing videos by breaking each element kind of down and seeing how I get on with that. So this is what we're going to be creating, this template here, kind of a corporate theme. And all we're going to be doing is converting it into HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So I've got this design here from Theme Forest or Graphic River. So it's basically just a PSD theme with a few internal pages such as blog, news, contact, etc., etc. So I've kind of built it to my own liking. I've moved elements around, tweaked things here and there. So this is what I've come up with. And I'll just zoom in real quick here to show you the homepage. So we've got a logo here, which I've called Synergy. Sounds very corporate-y in my opinion. Then we've got like a menu, top bar here, search, this kind of interesting little hero header here, services, clients, pricing table, team, testimonials, and a footer. And then if we go further on to each different page, we've got a page here called services, this type of thing, little call to action down here, and so on. So very briefly, I'm just going to run down each page real quick. So this is the subservice page, I guess. So this will be for accounting and so on. And then we've got pricing page. And here we've got just a little pricing table, a little FAQ kind of accordion thing. And let me see. Yeah, here we've got like a little clients page and then a single client page here. So if we wanted to kind of show someone that what work we've done on this project here, we could just include that here. Pretty simple. Then we've got a kind of blog area. Do people still use blogs? I don't know, but there's one included in this template, so I'm going to use it. And then we've got, I guess, the kind of post page, which is just a kind of 2-column layout. So yeah, there's a few templates in here. There's 13 in total. A little about us page here. What else? About our team. Probably my favorite part of this little of this design. I just, you scroll over and then you can kind of see these things that hover up and you get their social media details and stuff like that. Then we've got, if you click into one of those team members, you've got a little blurb here about that person. And then we've got, if that person has written some blog posts, we're just going to include them down here. And then we've got a contact page. So pretty basic form here with the contact details here. Who knows, maybe I'll even include a Google map towards the end of it. And then we've got a search page. So just a kind of basic kind of page here. Now, as I say, this series is kind of, it's only HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It's basically building this kind of theme or this website from scratch using these technologies. So there won't be any functionality to search here. This is just a template that we're going to be creating and stuff like that. So yeah, I do intend to build this series out into eventually a WordPress theme. So this is kind of step one, building the theme from scratch from our design file. And then later down the road, if this is popular or people want to see the next version, I will create this, convert what we've got here with these templates here into a WordPress theme. But without getting too ahead of myself, let's just concentrate on what we've got here at the moment. So who's this aimed at? I would say probably more beginners to intermediate developers. I think maybe more advanced people probably could learn a thing or two, but maybe, you'd have to kind of dig for it. I mean, what I'm doing is basically coding vanilla CSS, HTML and JavaScript. I probably will be using a bit of jQuery too, just because WordPress uses jQuery quite a lot still in the core, as far as I know. So I will be kind of leaning on that as well for libraries and stuff like that. So probably more beginners to intermediate developers. What else have we got here? Yeah. So each video, I mean, I've seen these colossal courses by people who release these 10-hour videos on YouTube, and it's impressive. It really is, but it's not my style. I'd rather kind of, go kind of video to video. Like if I break these sections down, for instance, what I intend to do, I think, is here's the overview of our homepage. And what I'm going to do is start on the main global sections. So we've got a top bar, we've got a header here, which includes, the logo, the navigation, and the little search functionality here. And then of course I have to make that responsive as well. And then we've probably just got the call to action, which is on another page, and the footer. So I'll probably be breaking these down. Well, I will be breaking these down into each kind of video. So the top bar will be a first video, the header will be a second, and maybe I might break that down further. But I will aim to label everything as best I can, so it's kind of easy to follow, so you can skip back and forward and kind of hopefully know where you are. But yeah, it's just a little project I've had in the back of my mind for a while. No, it's nothing crazy at all. As you guys have known on YouTube, there's tons and tons of these projects, people building these websites from scratch and stuff like that. But the tutorials I've seen, even though some of them say they're built from scratch, some of them kind of aren't. They're using a starter theme or this type of thing. This one will be entirely from scratch. But yeah, that's what we're going to be building. 13 templates in total, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and I will be uploading probably 1, 2, maybe 3 times a week. It just depends on how busy I am, because obviously this is kind of a little side project for me. It's very fun, but I just need to make time to kind of do it. But then again, I need to make time as well, because I don't want to leave it too long between videos. So if I release, oh hey, we've got a hero out, we've got a header, and then there's nothing for like a few weeks, that doesn't it doesn't look good. So I do aim to be consistent with these. I'll stop rambling there. So yeah, if you'd like to kind of see how this how I get on with this and stuff like that, you can subscribe. That would be great, because I'm just trying to concentrate on building my little following here. And thank you very much if you have subscribed already. And I guess you could click the bell to find out when new videos are posted or uploaded on this channel for the series. But I'll leave it there for the moment. The next video will be, I guess, tomorrow. It's like 11:30 here in the UK at the moment. So I just thought I'd get this up now to kind of start fresh tomorrow, so I can start the coding. But just to let you know where I'm at. Okay, I think that's about it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully I didn't ramble too much. Any questions, please let me know in the comments, and I'll catch you guys hopefully tomorrow. All right, cheers.